Okay, this is the Streamline plastic Pacific from the American Flyer. I don't know if it's like a 356 or what it is. It was a silver streak or silver bullet, I forget. I think a silver bullet. And I had it painted and put into red and white for our anniversary train. And I wanted to see if I could adapt one of my fireboxes as a part that would fit in here and would also hold the link to the tender and free up the link connector on the chassis for a K5 trailing truck like that. And I actually did what I call a greenfield design. I took this part and a blank sheet of paper and started to capture all of the dimensions that I needed. And then I started a new design product in my CAD CAM file. And by golly, it actually was a slip fit day one. Just slipped right in. I had to make some tweaks as to height and clearance for some of these pieces here, but as you can see, it fits in between the two posts at the back. It has the opening for the LED lights. I'll fix that up as I get one more run in it. I've got a nice hallway on either side of the firebox, which would allow us to fit in a pair of HO engineers on a pedestal. You would actually glue those to the firebox when you fit it in. And if we wanted to, we could actually put a hinge on this plate here and have a little ramp for the fireman to reach over to the tender and pull the coal in. That would be pretty hot. So today I just finished the drawbar, which I made out of some really nice thick plastic. It's 3, maybe 4 millimeters thick. I use the black screws that we have on our flyers for suspension parts and these front wheels and such as that, and they just went right in. I had to oversize the holes a little bit. I also put a Boss relief on here for the drawbar so that we have a lot of this really strong plastic that will hold that screw in place. And this is a very strong drawbar. It will pull, not a problem. This is a lightweight engine, but it does have a 6-wheel drive in it. You know, it'll be something like this drive here. With the, I usually put a can motor in there. I can hold it in and show you the fit. If I'm semi-coordinated, I can anyway. And I am semi-coordinated. So there's the fit with the can motor, and it has about the same amount of fit with the put that down on my lap and show you one with 3, or you know, the old factory motor. Let me see, got a little wire in the way here. I think I got it. So I get it to fit into that little keyway like it's supposed to. There we go. There we are. So this is with the factory AC motor. You got a lot of room. I do need to put a chamfer on that gray corner. It comes right in really close to the brush housing. It doesn't hit. We have the alignment is fine, but I would like to have just a little more room. But you see, we have plenty of space back here for the LED lighting, which would come in. I'll take that off. It's a little heavy one-handed. And there. Okay. So the LED lighting would come in here and come out the back, and then it would just run up to the roof and down. And I usually hook it into the smoke, so if the smoke's on, the light's on, something like that. And that works out. But boy, did this turn out nice. It's a very good looking unit. Fits in there. It's not coming out. It won't rattle. And that is a strong drawbar to pull the tender with. I think this is going to be a pretty darn nice part. I'm going to be adding a little thread there. I'll be adding some detail to that face, or maybe leave it to you for a while, but this will be on my Shapeways site soon as a new Firebox. And as it looks here, you can't really see. You just see the wall of the firebox, but it does have quite a bit of relief from the window. So if you look in the side, you can see there's a lot of space to put a driver in there. And he'll be having a handle on the throttle, and he can reach over and pull on the knobs and do whatever he needs to do. It's a good fit. I'm really happy with this. It came out nicely. So there it is. The streamlined plastic silver bullet, I think it is, silver streak, and it now has a firebox. While I'm at it, I don't know, you're curious, maybe not. The old royal blue is still kicking around. This is the one a friend of mine gave me, and I've been working on the smoke system for it, you know that. But look at this. Ha! Well, yes, it has a firebox. Now it needs the hole for the flame and all that, but it also has quite a bit of room in there. We can put a skinny engineer and show him through the window. It should be pretty cool. So I got to put the lights in, and it's trimmed just exactly where I need it. It's got to come in underneath. There's the metal bar is missing on this engine, but they mostly have that metal drawbar. So I'm going to have to make sure that it comes in underneath that drawbar and can kind of snap in place. And here again, you see the black mark. I have to pull that corner back, make it a little bevel, and it will be a better fit for that brush holder, that plastic part there. But yeah, I'm having a good time with these things. So there's two coming out pretty quick, and that's what I did today and yesterday. Okay, more later, gang. We're just chugging away, playing with my stuff. Okay, later. Bye.